Matching appearance. This replacement exterior door handle was specifically designed to look and function the same as the original handle on particular vehicles. Seamless replacement. Designed to match the dimensions and specifications of the handle that came stock on the vehicle. Excellent value. Original equipment quality at a lower price. Ensure fit. This handle is vehicle position specific, so double check you have the correct handle for the same position and side of the vehicle you want to replace. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Want a new exterior door handle that matches the original, for far less than going back to the dealership? This replacement door handle was engineered to match the fit and appearance of the stock handle on specific vehicle years, makes and models. Top reviews from the United States. Great so far. Installed on a 04 Chevy Express 2500. Perfect install for the rear and side cripple doors. The plastic clips for the latch rods look different, but work great. Don't be afraid to pop them back open and the rod or thread are too deeper till you get both latches to pop at the same time. So satisfying to open the door now. Before I was reaching into the door panel and twisting the bracket, scraping my hands up.